Various sidewalks, ramps, and curbs were recently replaced around Butler's campus. While many may overlook this as bothersome construction, the increased accessibility they provide is crucial.
One thing about Butler and just kind of the campus as a whole is while we do have a lot of ramps, a lot of the pavement has big cracks in it or has gotten uneven over time. And this is really important, specifically just talking about wheelchairs. I use a wheelchair part-time. There are these little wheels on a wheelchair called caster wheels, and they will get stuck in cracks or divots. And if this happens when you're pushing a wheelchair normally, it stops you abruptly and it can actually jolt you out of the wheelchair, which can be really dangerous for a lot of wheelchair users. So making sure that these are properly upkept makes it so that our campus is fully accessible to everyone.
Accessibility is crucial for all college campuses and goes beyond simple walkways.
I think that Butler has decent accessibility. I definitely think there's room for improvement. My hallway that I lived in did not have door buttons my freshman year. It does now, but that is only because Bud advocated for them. It has an accessible room, but no door button, thus making it inaccessible. While it is good that we do have a lot of ramps and most of the elevators on campus are relatively reliable, I do think that there are a lot of things that Butler could still improve on.
Maylene Bringier expresses her gratitude for these walkway renovations and how they make it easier to get around campus.
I definitely think it's good for accessibility. It definitely helps people who use wheelchair or any mobility aid to get around. They're definitely not perfect yet, but they're a big improvement on campus as well.
While Bulldogs for Universal Design continues to advocate for campus accessibility, the sidewalk, ramp, and curb replacements are a step in the right direction. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Multimedia Reporter Reilly Byron.